Good morning, good morning, good morning. Coach Micheal Burt coming to you on California time. It's 8 a.m. in Newport Beach, California. Hey, still no sunshine, which is I guess a given when I come to California, maybe. So good morning to everybody. It's Coach Burt. I'm in Newport Beach, California. I'm doing Powerhouse. I'm doing Master the Stage. Out here, these are people who came out who want to speak, coach, train, lead. Got a lot of action going on here in Newport Beach this morning. Jeff Breeden. So I'm out here teaching people how to speak, coach, train, lead. It's a program called Master the Stage with Tim Story and I, Todd Taylor, and we had a great day yesterday. We're basically breaking down the art and science of speaking. Yesterday we did monetization. How do you build a speaking business, a monetization business? Which is very important what we're going to be talking about today, because next Wednesday I'm doing a webinar called Powerhouse Profits. Lisa Galloway, good morning. And in that concept of Powerhouse Profits, Amanda Beener, I'm going to be bringing creativity in how can your company, how can your business produce more profit? Okay, good job, Amanda. Profit is defined in a lot of ways. It's defined as excess cash left over at the end of every month after you've paid yourself, paid your bills, paid your taxes. That's one definition of profit. So there's external profit, Freddie Blanton, and there's internal profit, which feeds your internal bank account. So the way we go out and we generate profit is we go out and we locate problems. This is what people don't want to do. They don't want to call. They don't want to follow up. They don't want to close deals. They just expect this profit to land in their business, okay? And when it doesn't land in their business, they blame somebody. So next Wednesday in this Powerhouse Profits webinar, I'm going to bring you 4 of my best strategies when Coach Burt's looking for profit. Profit being excess cash left over at the end of the month that then you can reinvest. Internal profit is profit that feeds your internal bank account. Now, I actually believe if you have enough internal profit helping enough people, you eventually will have a lot of external profit. But right now in this economy, in this world, nothing happens until somebody takes an action. Nothing happens until somebody calls somebody. Nothing happens until somebody nudges somebody. Nothing happens until somebody moves forward with something. And this is something that you got to get really good at, guys, just to be honest with you. You got to get good at getting on the phone, following up, engaging with people, locating their ambitions, inviting them to take an action. And Daniel Hodges, you got to get good at closing and conversion, which is something people are terrible at. And I'm not talking about one industry. I'm talking about almost every industry I coach. People are absolutely terrible at converting people. What's up, Alan Mitchell? Was getting some good numbers from your company the other day from John. So when you think about this, I really want you to come to this Powerhouse Profits, because I think sometimes we need a new perspective on generating revenue. Sometimes there's probably a missing structure in our current cycle that we can't see because we can't see the picture when we're inside the frame. And sometimes we're just not very good at closing because people haven't been coached or trained or developed. So today I want you to set a target. I want you to get on the phone with people. I want you to locate the ambition and the driving force of why they would take an action. And I want you to convert people, because you can't help them until you convert. Okay, this is where the whole concept of I can't help you till you commit, but once you commit, I'm not going to let you fail. Okay, and people just don't want to do it. They don't want to pick up the phone. They don't want to follow up. They don't want to call back. They don't want to stay 7 to 15 touches. And that's just laziness, man. At the end of the day, you can't do anything without profit, internal or external. So next Wednesday, I'll post the link below. It's called Powerhouse Profits. It's 1:30, and it's 4 of my best strategies to generate new revenue, more importantly, new profit for your company. Can I count on you to do that? So Newport Beach, California, guys. Okay, put the work in. Let's go. Let's do this. Before I get started, there is one very important question I have to ask you.
Coach Micheal Burt, Monster Producer Academy CEO. He's a personal friend of mine.
What good is it to have knowledge with no desire? What good is it to have desire with no skill? What good is it to have knowledge and skill with no confidence?
A big part of activating your prey drive is finding and refining your talent. This is something that helps you get to the next place.
People are made up of 4 parts: a body, a mind, a heart, and a spirit.
You need to know you, and then you need to have an awareness, and sometimes you don't even know what you need.
So all 4 parts of our nature have to be clicking. Your hard skill solves my problem. The bigger the problem, the more money people will pay to solve it.
Everything is valuable to your future. What I'm really paying you for is your past.
A monster producer combines multiple skills to dominate a market.
When you get to wake up every day and do what you love doing, man, it is hard not to be motivated.
They think at a higher ordinance than everybody else. They want to create new things.
I have a conviction about me, and that's the conviction that you feel when I talk, when I speak. It comes across as passion. You got to learn how to connect to another person at such a deep level that it moves them. You have goals, you have targets, but you don't have a sense of urgency.
They're going to exchange money, energy, they're going to raise capital, they're going to start new businesses, there's going to be joint ventures.
I think your purpose finds you. It is activated. The word activate means to initiate. Discipline, which is a derivative of the word disciple, which means to give yourself to a person or cause you believe in. Do you believe in your future, yes or no? When we know better, we do better. Finding the problem that you are uniquely qualified to solve, and you don't know what problem you really solve for whom, then there is no big financial exchange right there. You should leave here thinking bigger today than when you came. And I want to shake your hand and look you in the eyeball when you make this decision. Thank you. We'll see you in the back. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.